My name is Rick Butler, and I work for ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a cloud-based software company specializing in workflow management. So when I joined ServiceNow, they were in the second year of a 3-year contract with Varicent. And when it was time to renew, I was so impressed by how the system was performing, how the tool was set up, that I thought it was good to continue with it. Plus, just from a continuity perspective with our team, I knew that we needed to stay with what we currently had. The team has done a great job making sure that it's flexible for our needs, making sure that it actually has the ability to handle what we might need in the future. Plus, the services and support we've gotten from Varicent have been exceptional. The tool itself is flexible enough to allow me to change on the fly. If I chose to change every quarter, we have enough flexibility and internal resource and capacity to be able to do that. Things haven't been hardwired. We've avoided that, which is also very good. Making sure that that flexibility is there for, again, changes. Also, even if I have a plan year that's fixed, where I can bring in a special incentive that might only be there for 1 quarter, 2 quarters, I can very easily just append that to my existing annual plan. So we had been using Varicent for our plan acknowledgement forms as well as our quarterly sales certifications since its deployment. This year, we kind of took that and embellished it with our own platform. So we're in workflows. So what we did was to take our plan sheets and our goal sheets and move that into our own workflow. So now, instead of having only one way for a participant or a manager to approve or accept a document, they now have 4 ways they can do it. They can do it via email, gives them just much more flexibility. It also has improved our acceptance rate in terms of speed of acceptance. One of the things that I look for, obviously, is a feeling like I'm getting hands-on and white glove treatment, and I felt like that throughout the whole process. They've gained me access to anyone that I need within the Varicent organization to help me solve my problems, to diagnose my problems, to point out perhaps if there's an issue with our setup or perhaps something else that's causing us to have delays in issuing goal sheets or plan sheets, whatever the case might be. The only thing I would say is getting a purpose-built tool to do this is really important, because while there's a lot of tools that are generic and could be, again, set up to do a sales compensation function, right? It can't do all the things that purpose-built tools can do.